exposing the pipe.
Exposing the rebar.
Yeah.
And this is one of the J-bolts that's corroding.
Let me see it.
Well, that's pretty much what I was trying to do. See how bad it was? So it's pretty thin, so I got to replace it. That. It's going all the way to AB. That's not good. It's pretty bad. This is our anchor bolt. We have this little teeter here. So the idea is insert it back to the hole where the previous J-bolt was. And it goes in, and you shake it around a little bit, and this teeter comes up. And rather than the old repair where you go on top, put a washer and nut on the inside, you screw it from the bottom and tighten it from down here. And this braces this after this falls. And this just pretty much acts like a little L in the current existing J-bolts. You all thread so you can cut it to size.